Now what does it look like? A star?
I'm doing the hearts now.
What color heart?
It's green. Green heart.
Okay.
Just be careful, she has glue all over her fingers.
I like my hands.
Yeah, that's what I worry about. Do you want a napkin?
No.
Okay, take the lid off the green.
Look. I want. Mommy,
Yeah?
I touched.
What did you touch? The glue? And what did it feel like?
Soft.
Soft? And now what happened to your fingers?
They got glue.
Yeah. So when we take a bath in a few minutes, we can get all cleaned up.
I want to take a bath now.
Okay, let's put all of the caps back on the glitter glue and put them back in the box.
And twist them.
Mm-hmm.
I did. We don't. I have to do the green still.
Okay.
Green.
Do you want me to untwist the lid? Or can you do it?
I want mommy. And after that one, you have to do pink.
Okay, here's green.
You help. We have to. Down.
Are we doing the heart?
Yeah. No,
What? I thought you said a green heart.
I didn't say a green heart.
What is it then?
It's
Let me see.
a wiggle.
Oh, a wiggle?
Yes.
Okay, let's do a green.
Not a heart.
Do a green wiggle. Are you watching me?
Or are you doing the wiggles?
Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back. Is that good?
See? It says to go like this.
Mm-hmm. Did we do that?
Can I touch it?